Today in math, we're going to continue with addition. So last quarter we did adding within 5, but now we're going to be adding within 10. So let's go over our DLO, do a couple examples, and then it'll be your turn to do it in the book. I'll go first. Today I will show numbers in many ways. Now it's your turn. Today I will show numbers in many ways. So in your book, you will have numbers, 3 and 1 is, so you're going to be coloring in the crayons according to the numbers that it tells you. So if it says 3, you'll color in 3, and 1, you'll color 1. And don't forget, read the bottom, because at the bottom it'll tell you which colors to use. So you have to listen carefully to the little story at the bottom, and then color it how the numbers are represented. So let's do a few examples. I'm going to use my circles because those are the easiest for me. So I could say I have 2 blue circles and 6 purple circles. So if I were to write that with numbers, it would be 2 and 6 is, and we've learned and is, so you can actually read these number sentences. I'm going to put blank, period, because at the end of a sentence we need a period. So if I were to draw this, 2, I said I had 2 blue. 1, 2. And 6, I said 6 purple because purple is my favorite. So I need 6 purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 6 is blank. So if I have 2 and 6 more, we're adding, so we're putting them together, we're making a bigger number. Let's add them all up. So first we'll count them. That's one strategy to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I would write 8 here because we have a total of 8 because I counted them, and those are all the numbers all together, in all. Another way you could do this when we start writing our equations with a plus sign and an equals is we could count up. So when I count up, I take the largest number, 2 or 6. Which number is greater? 6. 6 is greater because 6 is more. So I'm going to put 6 in my head and 2 in my hand because 2 is the less number, the smaller number, and I'm going to count up like this. 6, 7, 8. So counting up helps us skip the process of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 and 6 is 8. And I colored them how the number sentence asked me to. Let's do another one. And I'll use blue as my first color and purple as my second. My next one, I have 1 blue and 4 purple. So I'll say 1 blue and 4 purple. 1 and 4 is, let's draw a picture. Drawing a picture is a strategy you can use when you add numbers together. If I've got 1 blue, I'll draw 1 circle here, and 4 purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4 is, let's use a strategy of counting them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 4 is 5. What I don't want you to do, that some of you do sometimes, is you say 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. When the color changes, sometimes you guys like to start counting over. But don't count over. We want to know how many is all together, in all, total. If I were to use this counting up, I would take the larger number and put it in my head. Which number is greater, 1 or 4? 4, because 4 is more, it's greater than 1. So put 4 in your head, 1 in your hand, and let's count up. 4, 5. And make point to your head when you say the larger number, and then take that hand and pull down the numbers that you're counting so you can keep track. Because some kids do this, 4, 5, 6, and then they start wiggly fingers and forget to pull them down. So it's until you're an expert at doing it. Pull your fingers down. let's do another one. My next one will be 3 blue circles and 3 purple circles. 3 and 3 is blank. Let's color them in. How many blue? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many purple? 3. So the number sentence is telling me how many I need to color and what color they need to be. So 3 purple. 1, 2, 3. I'll use the first strategy of counting them all and finding the sum, the total. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was easy. Make a loop until it sticks. That's the way you make a 6. Now, let's count up. Which number is greater, 3 or 3? They're equal, because equal means the same. 3 is the same as 3, so I'll put 3 in my head. I'll put the other 3 in my hand and count up. 3, 4, 5, 6. I have the same sum. Now, it'll be your turn to look at the number sentence, listen to the story down below, and it'll tell you which colors you need to color for each one. If it tells you the first number is 3 here, so the first 3 will be whatever color it says. It says 3 green crayons. Make sure you color those first 3 and the last 1. Don't skip around. Don't make a pattern. Make sure that you have the same amount in the front as it is the first number. So now it's your turn. You've only got just a handful of questions to work on today.